Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set who can see your phone number on the Telegram application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the settings button down below on the right side corner of the screen and then click on privacy and security. Here you should scroll down to privacy and you can find the phone number option, so tap on it. Who can see my phone number? You can select from three options: everybody, my contacts, or nobody. If you tap on nobody, you can select or set up an additional feature: who can find me by my number, everybody, or my contacts. So users who have your number saved in their contacts will also see it on Telegram if you choose the everybody feature, but if you set my contacts, users who add your number to their contacts will see it on Telegram only if they are your contacts as well. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.